This is sum number 19, profit and loss chapter. Firoz Chacha got total rupees 719 and 50 by selling a pant at 20% profit and shirt at 15% profit. If he would sell the pant at 25% profit and the shirt at 20% profit, then he would get rupees 30.50 more. Let us calculate the cost prices of the pant and the shirt. We don't know the CP of pant and shirt, so let assume price of pant and shirt are X and Y. So according to the problem, first 20% profit of pant, so there should be X plus X into 20 by 100, this is the SP, plus 15% profit of shirt, so therefore CPY and profit is Y into 15 by 100 equal to 719.50. And the second part is sell the pant at 25% profit, so therefore X plus X into 25 by 100 plus Y, CP is Y, and the profit is 20% on shirt, Y into 20 by 100 equal to 719.50 plus 30.50. Now here is the one part, if you want to do it in a lengthy process, so like that, let assume a price of pant is X, so therefore this should be cost price. First of all, CP of pant is X, therefore you have to find the profit is X into 20 by 100, therefore SP is X plus X into 20 by 100. You can do that, you can go ahead and do that, but this is the shortest process because this sum have to carry 5 marks and you have to do it in minimum 8 to 9 minutes. That's why we have to solve it in some easier method. Now this should be 120x by 100 plus 115y by 100 equal to 719.50, and this should be 120 implies sign 125x by 100 plus 120y by 100 equal to, after getting plus we get 750 rupees. Now 120x plus 115y by 100, LCM is 100 equal to 71950. Same here, LCM is 100. Now cross multiplying we get 120x plus 115y equal to 71950, and here we get 125x plus 120y equal to 750, and after that 2 zeros. Now here we can see we can divide these three terms by 5, so reduce these terms. We get, after dividing by 5 these 3, we can get 24x plus 23y equal to 14390. Same as you can see in these three terms, 5 is divisible, so therefore after reducing by dividing it by 5 we get 25x plus 24y equal to 15000. Now this is equation 1 and this is equation 2. Equation 1 plus equation 2 we get, sorry, this should be equation 2 minus equation 1, sorry, this should be equation 2 minus equation 1. 25x plus 24y equal to 15000, and 24x plus 23y equal to 14390. Here we get x and here get y equal to 610. So after getting 610 we have to multiply it by 25. Therefore we get 25x plus 25y into 610 into 25, 25x plus 25y equal to 15250. This is equation number 3. Now we can use the elimination method. Equation 3 minus equation 2. This is equation 3. We can write it 25x plus 25y equal to 15250. This is the equation 2. 25x plus 24y equal to 15000. Therefore y equal to 250. We know x plus y equal to 610 here, so therefore x equal to 610 minus y equal to 610 minus 250 equal to 360. Therefore this is the CP of pant is 360 and this is the CP of shirt. This is the last sum in the chapter 10.1. A trader, by selling one kind of tea at rupees 80 per kg, makes a loss of 20% and makes a profit of 25% by selling another kind of tea at rupees 200 kg. At what ratio these two types of tea should be mixed so that by selling it at rupees 150 per kg the profit would be 25%. Now let's see here in this question. First type of tea selling price 80, second type of tea rupees 200 per kg, and mixed tea 150 per kg. All three SPs are given, selling price are given. First of all we have to find the CPs. So let CP of first type of tea and second type of tea are x and y. So therefore SP of first type equal to CP plus loss 20%. So therefore this should be minus x into 20 by 100, and SP of second type y makes a profit of 25%, y plus y into 25 by 100. So therefore, according to the problem, x minus x into 20 by 100 equal to 80, and y plus y into 25 by 100 equal to 200. So therefore, x minus x by 5 equal to 80, y plus y by 4 equal to 200, 4x by 5 equal to 80, and 5y by 4 equal to 200. So therefore x equal to 80 into 5 by 4, y equal to 200 into 4 by 5. X equal to 100 and y equal to 160. So therefore CP of first is 100 and CP of second type of tea is 160. Now the mixed tea selling price is 150 per kg. We have to find the CP here. Let CP of mixed tea is rupees A per kg, and you have to write x per kg, rupees x per kg, and y rupees per kg. This is the unit. So therefore, according to the problem, SP is CP means A plus, here profit is 25%, so A into 25 by 100 A plus A by 4 equal to 5A by 4. So therefore, according to the problem, we say that 5A by 4 equal to 150 kg. So A equal to 150 into 4 by 5. ₹120 per kg. Now we don't know how much quantity of A type, first type of tea and second type of tea mix. So we assume two type of tea mixed in x1 y1 ratio. So therefore, according to the problem, x1 into first CP 100 plus y1 into second CP 160 equal to mixed tea is 120, and their total mixed quantity is x1 plus y1. Why? Because if you want to sell this product is 4 kg, then this product is 6 kg, therefore total quantity is 10 kg, therefore mixed quantity is 10 kg, therefore first one is x1 and second one is y1, therefore total quantity is x1 plus y1. 100 x1 plus 160 y1 equal to 120 x1 plus 120 y1. 100 x1 minus 120 x1 equal to 120 y1 minus 160 y1. minus 20x1 equal to minus 40y1. Eliminating these two minus, therefore we get x1, and this cross multiply here, x1 by y1 equal to 40 by 20. So therefore the ratio is, the mixed ratio should be, first type of t and second type of t in the mixed ratio is 2:1 required ratio.